This question, the graphs are given. The given graph shows the variation of charge versus potential difference V for two capacitors C1 and C2. Both the capacitors have same plate separation, but plate area of C2 is greater than that C1. Which line A or B corresponds to C1 and C2? So this is the graph between the potential difference and the charge, and these are the two straight lines. We know the formula for capacitance is C is equal to Q upon V, and Q upon V from the graph, as you can see, this quantity upon this quantity. So the ratio is obviously the slope of QV graph. Now from the graph it is clear that the slope for A is greater than the slope for B. Obviously the capacitance for A is greater than the capacitance for B. So CA is greater than CB. And the formula for parallel plate capacitor is epsilon naught A over D. Separation तो same है, but as far as the area is concerned, so areas are different and C is directly proportional to A. It has been given that plate area of C2 is greater than C1. So C2 should be having more capacitance. It means A belongs to C2 and B belongs to C1. Now come to the next question. Parallel plate capacitor of capacitance C is charged to a potential V. मीन्स कोई एक पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर है जिसको इनिशियली किसी पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V अप्लाई करके चार्ज किया है. It is then connected to another uncharged capacitor having the same capacitance. Uncharged है, it means there is no charge over it, no potential difference across the plates. Find out the ratio of energy stored in the combined system to that stored initially in the single capacitor. तो इनिशियली जो एनर्जी थी वो तो पहले वाले कैपेसिटर में थी, दूसरा जो अनचार्ज था उसमें तो नहीं थी. बट व्हेन दे आर कनेक्टेड, व्हाट विल हैपन इफ वी रफली ड्रॉ द डायग्राम लाइक दीज आर द टू कैपेसिटर. ये चार्ज है एंड दिस इज अनचार्ज. सो चार्ज से इसको अनचार्ज को कनेक्ट करेंगे, देन फाइनली द चार्ज विल फ्लो till the potential of the two becomes same. Initially we calculate the electrostatic potential energy Q square upon 2C. Net capacitance is, because these are in parallel, so C1 plus C2, that is C plus C twice C. Now in both the cases, initially and the final situation, charge remains constant. तो फाइनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी हो जाएगी Q स्क्वायर अपॉन 2C डैश. तो Q स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 इंटू 2C, सो Q स्क्वायर अपॉन 4C. सो फाइनल एनर्जी अपॉन इनिशियल एनर्जी, दैट विल बिकम Q स्क्वायर अपॉन 4C, Q स्क्वायर अपॉन 2C, दैट इज 1/2. यहाँ कुछ चीजें हम एडिशनल सोच सकते हैं कि जो एनर्जी है वो 1/2 क्यों हुई है. देखिए, एनर्जी का लॉस होगा जब चार्ज कैपेसिटर अनचार्ज कैपेसिटर से कनेक्ट होगा, एंड द लॉस विल टेक प्लेस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द heat produced in the connecting wires and heat and the sparking, that are the electromagnetic radiation.